Boho Art is taking over. From Etsy to Instagram, this earthy, free-spirited aesthetic is everywhere. But did you know you can make serious money from boho art? Without even picking up a brush, you can make money from boho. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and sell boho art online, how to stand out in this booming market, and how to leverage AI to do most of the work for you. Why is the boho art trending? First, it is rooted in minimalism, and it is also filled with nature-inspired aesthetics. Boho art is trending because it is popular for home decor, digital prints, and social media branding. Now, let's not forget that boho art is filled and big on neutral tones, abstract shapes, and earthy textures. Now it is trending because it is also in high demand on Etsy, Redbubble, and even on Instagram boutiques. Now here is a fun fact for you. The hashtag boho art has over 1 million posts on Instagram and is a top selling category on Etsy. Now let us look at how to make money with boho art, which is one of the main reasons why we are here today. So the first way is to sell digital prints on Etsy. You can sell on Etsy or you can sell on Gumroad. Now these two platforms I have mentioned, it is free to start selling on them. No startup cost required. So set up your simple Etsy store or your Gumroad store, and to start, you can use AI-powered design tools like Midjourney or Canva to generate boho art. List high-quality digital prints on Etsy or on Gumroad. Remember, there is no shipping required. Now let's look at how to stand out. You want to offer customizable prints with names or quotes. Optimize listings with keywords like neutral wall art and boho home decor. And to scale up, you want to create seasonal collections, for instance, boho Christmas prints or even boho Easter prints. You can offer bundles and run limited time promotions. And here is your AI boost. Use ChatGPT to generate SEO friendly product descriptions and Canva's AI tools to create design variations very quickly. Now let's look at selling boho art on print on demand platforms. So to start, you want to head over to platforms like Printify, Redbubble, or even Society6 to sell boho art on mugs, on phone cases, and t-shirts. To stand out, you want to focus on trendy boho patterns for niche markets. We have the boho style yoga mats or boho baby clothes. To stand out, you can also use AI to generate unique color palettes that appeals to customers. And to scale up, you want to consider partnering with Instagram influencers in the boho lifestyle space. Also, you can create a TikTok shop with a trending boho decor item. And here is your AI boost. Use AI-powered mock-up generators like Place It to showcase your designs without actually printing them. Now, you know this is one of the challenges for people that are into print on demand platforms or people that sell print on demand products, being able to showcase their product physically without actually printing them. So imagine if you had to print every t-shirt or every design that you had to sell. Head over to platforms like Placeit, where you can showcase your designs without actually printing them. Let us look at selling boho art, NFTs, and AI-generated artworks. Now, to start, use AI generators like Midjourney or Deep Dream. Create unique boho NFT collections, and you can sell on OpenSea, Rarible, or even Foundation. And to stand out, you want to blend boho elements with AI generated textures. Now offer exclusive perks like digital wallpaper or personalized NFT experiences. And to scale up, you want to collaborate with other NFT artists, build a social media presence on Twitter and Discord for NFT collectors. And for your AI boost, you can use DALL-E or Runway ML to automate the creation of unique boho style NFT collections. And let's look at how to market and sell your boho art successfully, because it is one thing to create those products and it is another thing to sell those products. So some of the best marketing strategies are: you can use Pinterest and Instagram to showcase boho designs. Now these platforms love aesthetic content. If you've been on Pinterest and on Instagram a lot, you would agree with me on this point. Also, you can start a boho art TikTok page showcasing or showing time-lapse art creation, or you can run Facebook and Instagram ads targeting home decor enthusiasts. Also, offer freebies like boho wallpaper downloads to build an email list. And to scale up, you want to leverage AI-powered tools like Jasper for marketing copy. You can automate your customer service through AI chatbot, for instance, ManyChat. You can also use AI analytic tools to track trends and optimize your Etsy store. So, boho is not just a trend, it is a money-making opportunity waiting for you to grab it. So, whether you are a designer, an entrepreneur, or just someone looking for a creative side hustle, AI makes it even easier to start. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more ways to make money online and work from home. And I shall see you in my next video.